Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your vertical blind. First, we'll mark out the drill holes to fit the brackets. Each bracket drill hole position must be at least 75mm from both sides of the recess. Now we can drill our holes using a 6mm drill bit. And we can insert our plugs. Your vertical flat pack will include your wall brackets, your Vogue head rails, louvers, child-safe wand, and optional stabilising chain. The first component we'll need are the brackets. Screw in your bracket ensuring the tab is between the blind and the window frame. Before we install the cassette, we'll reference where the bracket clips onto the headrail. Line up the front groove of the cassette with the front lip of the bracket and push upwards to clip in. Now we can hang our louvers on the carrier trucks, starting from the left-hand side. As you can see, we've propped our louvers on our shoulder to make for a quick and simple install. Once our louvers are installed, we can attach our child-safe wand to our control end. With the vertical blinds, you have an option of having a stabilising chain or not. In most cases, the chain will already be attached, but in an instance it is not, we'll show you how to attach the chain. Going from left to right, clip the chain onto the weights within the louvers, and do this for both sides of the weights. Finally, we can check the operation of the blind. And that's how you install and hang your vertical blinds. You can click the annotation on the screen now for more vertical guides, including how to replace a broken chain or louver. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.